Hello everyone, you are very welcome to EnglishLogica.com. In this video, we deal with the idiom get down to business, giving you some helpful examples to use in the workplace and in social situations. The meaning of this idiom is to focus on important things. Things have gone slightly off topic in the meeting and the team are joking and laughing. The manager says, "Okay, let's quit fooling around and get down to business. We've lots of work to do." Here are some further examples, starting with social situations. After the team finish warming up, their coach tells them, "Okay, everyone, it's time to get down to business. Get your game faces on." Before the party, they got caught up in conversation and still have more preparations to make. That's enough of that chit-chat. Let's get down to business. They took a break from painting the house. 10 minutes turned into an hour all of a sudden. Wow, it's getting late. We had better get down to business. Here are some further examples, starting with professional situations. They invited their clients to their offices to start negotiations on a deal. "Ladies and gents, welcome to our offices. Now, let's get down to business, shall we?" The office staff are waiting for their manager to arrive to the meeting. "Guys, I think we should prepare ourselves before she gets here. Let's get down to business." The interviewer explains to the candidate, "It's nice to meet you. Now, without further delay, let's get down to business." Where did you hear the expression, get down to business? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to EnglishLogica or visit EnglishLogica.com for more English idioms you can use in social situations and in the workplace.